Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open Settings, then you should go to the Accessibility and Shortcuts section, and then go to the Accessibility. So here you can find Talkback, here you can enable it, tap Allow. After that, Talkback tutorial starts.
Close button. Welcome to Talkback.
So, Talkback is a mode made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So, for example, I tap on this banner,
Welcome to Talkback,
and all this
page
text
1 of
gets
5.
spoken out
Talkback
loud.
is
So, for example, if you want to operate in this mode, you tap on any button.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
Then this button gets spoken out loud. To activate it, as you could hear, you should just double tap anywhere on the screen, like
Close
this,
tutorial.
close,
Close.
double tap.
Talkback.
So if you want to disable Talkback, you tap on switcher, double tap, stop, please.
Talkback off.
And that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.